Carbon fiber filaments have taken the 3D printing world by storm. They offer incredible strength and are also lightweight, making them perfect for many projects. Think drones, car parts, or strong prototypes. Traditional filaments like PLA are great for beginners. However, carbon fiber offers a step up in material properties. This means your prints can be both strong and light. This strength comes from the short carbon fibers within the filament. These fibers reinforce the plastic, resulting in a print that's much tougher than standard PLA or ABS. But with great power comes a little more responsibility. Carbon fiber filaments require some extra care when printing. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Let's get you up to speed. Carbon fiber filaments are abrasive. This means they can wear down a standard brass nozzle. This is why a hardened nozzle is a must-have. Hardened nozzles are usually made of steel or ruby. These materials can withstand the wear and tear of carbon fiber, ensuring a longer lifespan for your nozzle. You can find hardened nozzles online or at specialized 3D printing stores. When choosing a nozzle, make sure it's compatible with your printer. Investing in a hardened nozzle might seem like an extra cost. However, it saves you money in the long run by preventing frequent replacements of worn-out brass nozzles. Safety should always be a priority when 3D printing. This is especially true with carbon fiber filaments. They release microparticles during printing. Proper ventilation is key to safe printing. Consider these options: a dedicated printing enclosure, an exhaust fan, or even printing near an open window. A mask is also a good idea. A simple dust mask can filter out the majority of the microparticles. This further minimizes your exposure and keeps your lungs happy. Remember, safety is not about being paranoid. It's about being informed and prepared. By taking simple precautions, you can enjoy worry-free 3D printing. Carbon fiber filaments require slightly different settings than standard PLA. This ensures smooth prints and prevents issues. Let's start with the bed temperature. A heated bed is crucial for good adhesion. Aim for a bed temperature of around 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. This might be slightly higher than what you use for PLA. Print speed is another important factor. Carbon fiber filaments print best at lower speeds. A speed of 40 to 60 millimeters per second is a good starting point. Finally, don't forget to adjust your retraction settings. Increased retraction distance and speed can help prevent oozing and stringing. Section 5. Troubleshooting your prints. Even with perfect settings, you might encounter some hiccups. Don't worry, most issues are easy to fix. Let's tackle some common ones. Nozzle clogging is a common problem. It's usually caused by the abrasive nature of the filament. If you experience clogs, a larger nozzle diameter, like 0.5 millimeters or 0.6 millimeters, can help. Warping is another issue, especially with larger prints. A brim or raft can help with bed adhesion and prevent warping. You can also try increasing the bed temperature slightly. Stringing can occur with any filament, but it's more common with carbon fiber. Adjusting your retraction settings, as mentioned earlier, is the best way to combat stringing. Section 6. The finishing touch. Post-processing can elevate your carbon fiber prints from good to great. It removes imperfections and enhances the final look. Sanding is an effective way to smooth out rough edges and layer lines. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper and gradually move to finer grits for a polished finish. If you want a truly smooth surface, consider using a filler primer. It fills in any remaining imperfections and creates a perfect base for painting. Once you're satisfied with the surface finish, you can paint your print. Use a primer specifically designed for plastics for better paint adhesion. Section 7. Keeping your printer happy. Printing with carbon fiber requires a bit more maintenance compared to other filaments. But don't worry, it's manageable. After each printing session, make sure to clean your nozzle thoroughly. Use a dedicated nozzle cleaning filament or a cleaning needle to remove any residual carbon fiber. Periodically check your extruder gear for wear and tear. The abrasive filament can cause some wear over time. Replace the gear if you notice significant damage. Lastly, keep your printer clean. Carbon fiber dust can accumulate inside the printer and affect its performance. Use a brush or compressed air to remove any dust buildup. Section 8. Expanding your horizons. Mastering carbon fiber 3D printing opens up a world of possibilities. You can create parts that are strong, lightweight, and visually appealing. Experiment with different infill patterns and densities to fine-tune the strength and weight of your prints. For functional parts, a higher infill percentage is recommended. Explore different surface finishes to achieve the desired look. You can create a matte finish, a glossy finish, or even a textured finish using various post-processing techniques. Remember, 3D printing is all about experimentation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what amazing creations you can bring to life. Section 9. The future of 3D printing. Carbon fiber filaments represent a significant advancement in 3D printing technology. They offer a glimpse into the future of materials and manufacturing. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even stronger and more versatile carbon fiber filaments to emerge. This will further expand the applications of 3D printing in various industries. From aerospace and automotive to medical and consumer goods, the possibilities are endless. Carbon fiber 3D printing is poised to revolutionize the way we design, prototype, and manufacture products. So, embrace the power of carbon fiber and unleash your creativity. The future of 3D printing is here, and it's incredibly exciting.